Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this fantastic video, I will show you step by step how to transform these hard gel nails. At first, I'm removing the gel using the barrel drill bit. Once this is done, I'm using the file and flatten the surface of the nail plate. At first from the one side and after from the other side. After that, I'm using the pusher and rolling down cuticles. And once this is done, I'm proceeding with the flame drill bit. And as you can see, I'm removing the pterygia using the flame drill bit and using the forward speed of my electric file. And the next step, I'm using the drill bit for skin. The harder type of the drill bit for skin helps me to remove the biggest pieces of the skin. And after that, I'm using the softer type of drill bit for skin. The next step, we should roll down cuticles again. This is the second type of the flame drill bit, and I'm using it for removing the skin in hidden places under the cuticles. Now I'm using the file again to make the shape for these nails. And of course, time after time, we should again and again roll down cuticles. And once this is done, I'm using the ball drill bit and removing the skin. And from the top of the proximal pad, I'm using the larger size of the ball drill bit. After brushing off the dust, we're using the gel primer, and we neatly cover the whole surface of the nail plate with this primer. We cure it in LED lamp in 30 seconds. And now you see me working with the base gel. And we apply also the thin coat of this gel and cure it in 30 seconds in LED lamp. The next step of base gel will be thicker than the previous one, and you should apply it neatly, because we are doing enlargement of the nail plate. I'm applying base gel nail by nail and cure it in LED lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm applying the placement of glitter on tacky layer. You can use your finger to stick the glitter perfectly and place it in LED lamp in 30 seconds. Now I'm using the thin brush number 0 and the gel paint of the color silver. Flat brush will always help me to make this painting. And we can also add some glitter on the wet coat of this gel paint and cure it in LED lamp in 30 seconds. After brushing off the dust, we are applying the thick layer of the top coat. And place it in LED lamp. And now you see me applying the base gel on the fourth finger. We cure it in LED lamp in 30 seconds. And now you see me applying the coat of the gel paint. I'm trying to place it maximum closer to the cuticles, because we have already made the perfect manicure. It's needed only 2 coats and we cure each one in 30 seconds in LED lamp. As you can see, I'm using 2 colors of gel paint. On the middle finger, we combine 3 colors. In the middle, the silver line. From the left and from the right side, pink lines, and we can also add a thin gray line right here. And now you see me covering each nail with the top coat, and we're using rhinestones right in the cuticle area. After curing nails in LED lamp, I'm using the rubbing alcohol and removing the tacky layer. Now you see me shaping nails from side walls. We don't touch nails from the top. We only correct them from each side, from side walls. And the last step of our work, I'm using white gel paint. And with this gel paint, I'm applying very thin lines on the top of our nail. We curve these lines in LED lamp, removing the tacky layer, using the coconut oil. And now guys, you can see the result. These nails are fantastic. I think this nail design will be suitable for each woman. If you like this design, if you like my work, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Have a good day.